Hey guys, it's AMG Dens in a tantalizingly sweet Mercedes-Benz C-Class Coupe. I hope that you all are keeping well and safe during these really troubling times. I know that there's a lot of distress and terrible things happening around the world right now, but I'm really hopeful that things will be able to turn a positive leaf for 2021, that we'll see a more positive change towards things around the world, and hopefully that normality could be restored soon. But anyway, enough of the political talk for one day. I am here to showcase one of my favorite features of the newest generation of Mercedes, that is officially known as the Parktronic feature. So this enables the car, cleverly enough, to park itself into parallel parking situations and also to bay park itself as well when you go down to Tesco's. Other shops are included as well. So let's get the video started without any further delay. So right, I'm going to indicate to pull out of this space. The key and most pertinent bit is pressing the park assist button, which is this P with the camera. So you press that and it already gives us an instruction on the command entertainment system telling us to drive forward, search for parking space. So I can actually see one just in between these two Ford Fiestas. So what I'll do now, I will put the car in drive. I'm going to make my observations as you do on a driving test, blind spots and whatnot. Make sure it's clear to go. If it is, then that's great. So we're just going to pull out slowly. And as I identified, I think there is a space there on the right, which this car should be able to fit into, which is grand. So we're just going to continue driving. As I mentioned, the ultrasound technology in the sensors are now trying to create a picture, and that picture deciphers and tells the car whether or not there's a space for the car to park into. So it's actually identified that there are two spaces, one on the left, one on the right. I think we want the one on the right. So we go to our entertainment wheel, we click it over to the right, and it has highlighted the one on the right. And just to confirm it now, you just have to press the button down once. So this is the bit I enjoy, because we just put the car in reverse and the car does the rest for us. Minimal input on the brakes, and as you'll see as well, no hand inputs or any steering for me. I'm using my left hand to hold my iPhone camera, and I'm going to put my right hand on the side of the door sill. So I'm just going to let the car reverse now. Always just make sure you check your surroundings. And as you can see, it's positioning itself to go inside that bay without me actually having any hands on the wheel. So the car is literally parking itself. And the car has just braked and it's changed gear completely on its own. I'm just going to move forward to this Fiesta. And again, the car has just corrected itself. It's put itself in reverse. And we're done. So let's put the car in park. Always remember, guys, always remember to put your car in park as well. Like in an automatic car, it's the most scariest thing when you jump out of a car and you forget to put the handbrake on. Oh, it's so scary. But again, where I think the Mercedes are just so intelligent and the German engineering of this car is so evident, is that even if you open the door and you forget to put the parking brake on, if you open the door, it will automatically apply the handbrake, which again, I think is just great. So, even if you forget to do it, it's not the end of the world, but it does come in handy. So enough of the jibber jabber now. I'm going to take off my seatbelt and I'm going to be quiet because my neighbors are probably thinking I'm a poser now. I'm just going to step out of the car and show you what it's done. I'm not going to say anything because I think they're going to think I'm an absolute madman speaking to my camera. But let's see how it's done. So as you can see, the car's managed to do that quite competently. If you go into the supermarket or if you just needed to park and you're really scared, the car can completely do it by itself. It's really capable. And yeah, that concludes the video, guys. I hope it was informative and insightful to everyone. Please, just as a favor and a gesture to me of kindness, if you could just drop this video a like, I'd highly appreciate it, since my goal this year is to try and bring more content centered around the Mercedes-Benz products. And I think just to give the dealerships more confidence, if they can see that there's an engagement and there's people that are actually interested in this sort of thing, they'd be more likely to be able to help me and work on future projects with me as well. So if you could just drop a like on the video, that would be highly appreciated. And as always, I hope that you guys are going to continue to remain safe, keep well, keep positive. And thank you as always for your support. AMG Dens out.